Hey guys, this is Chelsea with Country Roads RV Center, and today we are checking out the Freedom Express 298 FDS. With this unit, you have a really good amount of storage. You have storage in the front, then you have your solid entry steps. You have a nice outdoor kitchen with a mini fridge, sink, more storage right here. You have an attachment for a griddle and a cutting board, outdoor speakers, a great big awning, and then back here in the back, you have even more storage. And then you have your power stabilizer jacks. And then what's really cool about this unit is you have a ladder that gives you access to the roof. A lot of units don't have that, so that's a great feature in this one. All right, come in and check out this. This is amazing. You have a huge open floor plan in this unit. Humongous counter space, which is fantastic if you're prepping for meals, you're having a buffet with your family and friends. You obviously have your sink, cutting board, microwave, and oven. What's really cool about this, to save you some space, is you have pop-up plugs. Come in handy. You obviously have your fridge and freezer, some storage space, theater seating, dinette table, more spots for people to sit, and a humongous 55-inch flat screen TV. Coming back this way, all throughout the unit, you have your night shades through this. You also have your walk-through bathroom with a walk-in shower. Plenty of storage space in this bathroom also, which is great. And you have hookups if you want to do a washer and dryer in here. And then you have your queen size bed. What's also really great about this is not only do you have plugs for each side of the bed, you actually have two sets of plugs for each side of the bed. So come by today and check us out at Country Roads RV Center and see this great unit for yourself.